Hey there folks, today we turned on our fireplace and then it beeped at us and it's flashing both on the Celsius and the Fahrenheit. It says 88 right there and it shut off. It smells a little bit like burning. So this is an overheat protection. So I'll shut off so it doesn't burn your house down. So we're just going to show you, it's a blocked vent. We're going to show you how to clean it up and get it all good to go. All right, so if we look at the back of the unit, we have vents in it. This is attached to a mantle, as you can see, and it is all caked up with cat hair and dust, so we're just going to vacuum that all out and get the blockage gone. And then while we're at it, if you have any dust around the bottom, get that as well. All right, so see it's still flashing, and even if you turn it on and then back off again, it still flashes. That's because it's stored in the memory. So you actually have to go and unplug the unit, and then you'll see it'll go out. Let it sit for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. And you'll see it's clear and your power turns red again. That means it's good to go. And then everything comes on and you can turn your heat back on. So that's all there is to it, folks. Just a simple clogged vent. Keep safe and nice and toasty. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.